The Smittybilt Overlander? The Thule Approach or Yakima SkyRise? Perhaps the Overland Vehicle Systems Nomadic 3? Or the Tuff Stuff Ranger? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top rooftop tents available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 rooftop tents. The 5th product on this list is the Tuff Stuff Ranger Overland. Ready to take your camping game to the next level? The Tuff Stuff Ranger Overland rooftop tent has got you covered. Forget about fumbling with tent poles and stakes in the dirt. Just install it right on top of your truck and you're ready to roll. This tent is the real deal for serious overlanding enthusiasts. With a sturdy aluminum frame and a waterproof polyester fabric, it can handle whatever Mother Nature throws your way. And with enough room to comfortably sleep 3 adults, it's perfect for a weekend getaway with your partner or best buds. But wait, there's more. The Tuff Stuff Ranger Overland also comes with a built-in foam mattress, so you can say goodbye to tossing and turning on the ground. And if you need a little extra space, the annex room can even fit a queen-size mattress. With a large zippered entrance and mosquito netting, you can keep the bugs out while enjoying a refreshing breeze. And when the sun gets too hot, the built-in awning provides some much-needed shade. Sure, climbing up and down the ladder may take a little getting used to, but the sturdy telescoping ladder makes it a breeze. Plus, with multiple storage pockets and a removable rainfly for stargazing, you'll be living the high life in no time. Setting up the Tuff Stuff Ranger Overland is a piece of cake, and it even comes with all the hardware and instructions you need. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take your camping game to new heights with the Tuff Stuff Ranger Overland rooftop tent. Its pros are: it is spacious enough for 3 adults to sleep in. The material used for its construction is durable, and it comes with the necessary accessories for convenient camping. However, its cons are its zippers could be better, and the built-in mattress may be too firm for some people. The spacious interior of the Tuff Stuff Ranger Overland makes it a very suitable option for outdoor enthusiasts who want an easier way to set up camp. Up next in 4th place is the Overland Vehicle Systems Nomadic 3. Who says camping has to be all about roughing it out on the ground? With the Overland Vehicle Systems Nomadic 3 rooftop tent, you can take your camping game to new heights, literally. This tent is the perfect fit for anyone who wants to enjoy the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort and convenience. Not only is the Nomadic 3 built to last, with its sturdy aluminum frame and ripstop polyester fabric, but it's also designed to keep you cozy and dry no matter the weather conditions. Its waterproof fabric means you won't have to worry about any pesky mold growing inside, and the spacious interior can comfortably accommodate 2 to 3 adults. But what really sets this tent apart is its attention to detail when it comes to your sleeping arrangements. With the 3-inch thick, built-in mattress and a quilted cotton cover, you'll be snoozing in style. Plus, the tent comes with memory foam pillows to ensure you have sweet dreams all night long. What's more, setting up and taking down the tent is a breeze, and you won't need to drill any holes in the ground or modify your vehicle to install it. Plus, the breathable window ensures that you'll have fresh air circulating throughout the tent. And if the weather takes a turn for the worse, the removable waterproof rainfly has you covered. To keep your camping gear organized, the tent also comes with a removable zippered mesh storage unit. And for those moments when you need a little extra light, the tent even includes a strip light, power bank pouch, and handheld LED light. And let's not forget about the little things. The tent also comes with a mini broom and dustpan to help you keep things tidy. There are even 2 shoe storage bags with internal and external pouches. So if you're looking for a rooftop tent that is built to last, offers plenty of comfort and convenience, and comes with all the bells and whistles, look no further than the Overland Vehicle Systems Nomadic 3. Its pros are: the ripstop polyester fabric can withstand harsh weather, the interior is spacious to accommodate 3 adults, and its mesh ventilation is ideal for more humid environments. However, the metal bars underneath the bed rack do not feel the most sturdy. The Overland Vehicle Systems Nomadic 3's spacious interior, comfortable mattress, and convenient accessories make it a great choice for overlanding enthusiasts who want a hassle-free camping experience. Still haven't found a rooftop tent that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Yakima SkyRise. If you're all about convenience and comfort, the Yakima SkyRise is a great rooftop tent option. With a sleek design, it's perfect for car camping and overlanding, and it easily attaches to your vehicle's roof rack. Not only can you drive around with it, but it's also super easy to set up when it's time to get some shut-eye. While the built-in mattress is only 2.5 inches thick, it's still cozy, and the spacious interior can comfortably sleep 3 adults. When it comes to durability, you can count on the Yakima SkyRise to hold up against wear and tear. The aluminum frame and waterproof fabric ensures that it can handle tough weather conditions. However, note that the nylon tent itself isn't waterproof. Luckily, Yakima has you covered, literally with a 210D ripstop nylon rainfly that's PU coated to make it waterproof. Meanwhile, the telescoping ladder, which you can use to climb in and out of the tent, is also impressively sturdy and has a foldable design that makes storage a breeze. The tent's installation process is pretty straightforward too. The simple instructions in the manual and included tools make it a cinch. You'll love how easy it is to secure the tent to your roof rack with 4 locking clamps and 4 slide-in tracks mounted on the bottom of the tent. Lastly, when you're not using it, the Yakima SkyRise stays nice and safe thanks to its thick, durable cover with Velcro strips, zippers on each corner, and snap straps to keep it securely fastened. So if you're looking for a reliable rooftop tent for your next overlanding adventure, this is a fantastic option. Its pros are: it does not require tools to mount. Once you remove the rainfly, you're left with windows that allow you to enjoy the surrounding nature even when inside the tent, and it takes less than 20 minutes to set up. However, it is surprisingly bulky even when packed away. The overall design of Yakima SkyRise makes it ideal for people looking for an easy, comfy place to spend a couple of nights on a fun camping trip. The second product on this list is the Thule Approach. Are you in need of a rooftop tent that blends style and comfort? Look no further than the Thule. With its modern design and large mesh opening on top, you'll have a great view of the stars and plenty of ventilation. And the best part? This tent fits on any car rooftop, from SUVs to smaller sedans. Constructed with a sturdy lightweight aluminum frame and durable waterproof 600 denier ripstop fabric, the Thule will last you for years to come. Its spacious interior can easily accommodate up to 3 adults with the dual-density foam mattress that guarantees a comfortable night's sleep. Plus, the retractable rainfly can be adjusted in 3 different ways to provide optimal coverage, no matter the weather. When packed up, the Thule is a mere 11 inches tall, making it less bulky than the Yakima SkyRise. Setting it up is a breeze. Just unzip the travel cover, unfold the base, and you'll be ready to camp in under 3 minutes. No special tools or skills required. When it comes to convenience, it's pretty hard to beat this unit. So don't wait. Invest in one today and make your next trip a breeze. Its pros are: the wide window openings keep you closer to nature and allow optimum ventilation. The removable rain cover can be used in 3 different ways depending on the severity of the weather, and it is very quick to set up. However, the soft sides don't stand up well to high winds. Having a mounting design that works well for any car you drive makes the Thule Approach perfect for local explorations or weekend getaways with your family and friends. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top rooftop tent is the Smittybilt Overlander Hardshell. Looking for a rooftop tent that can provide comfort, durability, and convenience for your outdoor adventures? Look no further than the Smittybilt Overlander Hardshell. This hardshell tent has everything you need to transform your vehicle into a home away from home. Smittybilt is a veteran in the 4x4 accessory market with more than 60 years of experience. With the Overlander tent, they didn't compromise on quality, ensuring durability and a load capacity of 661 pounds. Perfect for accommodating 2 to 3 people comfortably. The tent is built with high-quality materials and has a fully waterproof construction with mesh windows that offer great ventilation and stunning landscape viewing. The hard shell ABS plastic shell is also resistant to impact and abrasion, ensuring the tent remains durable for years to come. We particularly love the ruggedness and durability of the tent, which can withstand even the strongest storms and protect you from the elements. The tent is also spacious, and gusseted awnings on all 4 sides of the tent, coupled with the interior ceiling lined with fabric, are other great features. What's more, the tent's mattress provides top-notch comfort, and the tent also has a sunroof through which you can enjoy a clear view of nature, as well as a mosquito net to keep the bugs away. You will also appreciate the internal storage pouches, hooks, and shoe storage bags that help organize travel gear. In conclusion, Smittybilt took into consideration every small detail when designing this rooftop tent. With its durable construction, spacious interior, and convenient features, the Smittybilt Overlander hardshell is undoubtedly the best rooftop tent on the market. Its pros are: it has stainless steel closures that keep the tent securely closed while traveling. The aluminum ladder is wide and has a 300-pound weight capacity. The canopy itself is very durable and capable of withstanding some of the stronger storms out there, and the spacious interior makes it rather comfortable. However, it takes a little longer to pack away than its softshell counterparts. The innovative and top-of-the-line features of the Smittybilt Overlander hardshell makes it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts who want a rugged, durable, and comfortable rooftop tent. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.